वालेकुम दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। जी त अॼु असां सवाल खणण वारा आहियूं ग्रेजुएशन कैटेगरी जो पेपर जेको सुबुह सां थी गुज़रियो आहे। तव्हांखे केॾांहुं वञिणो आहे ऐं पंहिंजो पेपर चेक करिणो आहे। In which Islamic battle angels helped the Muslims. Badr. In which Hijri Ghazwa Uhud was fought. The correct option is B. How many years did it take for the complete revolution of the Quran? The correct option is C. Question number 1. Which of the following is not an operating system? Oracle. Which one is an example of hardware? RAM. Computer data is measured in megabytes. How many bits are there in a byte? 8. What is phishing? A hacking How many dams are there in Pakistan? What was the old name of China? Which country is known as What is the meaning of Sachin culture? The residential place of Britain Prime Minister is at British Parliament is also called birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi is celebrated on. In which year Zimbabwe gained the independence? Which plant is known as the red plant? Mars. Water boils at 100 centigrade. Human body has how many bones? 206. Which vitamin is obtained from sunlight? Vitamin D. The gas used by plants in photosynthesis is carbon dioxide. Which is the hardest neutral substance? Diamond. Blood is purified in the kidneys. The process of converting water into vapor is called evaporation. Which organ pumps blood in the human body? Heart. What is the chemical formula of water? ये हम बार बार रिपीट इसलिए करते हैं कि देख मेरा मकसद यही होता है कि आपको याद रहता है कि नहीं, लेकिन आप कमेंट ही नहीं करते यार, कोई फीडबैक तो दिया करें ना. How many senses does a human have? 5. Which gas do we inhale while breathing? Oxygen. The smallest unit of life is cell. The largest organ of human body is skin. Plants make their food using sunlight. Which of these is not a mammal? crocodile. Acid runs below litmus paper. Red. The main source of energy for Earth is Sun. Which one is non-metal? Oxygen. The metal that is liquid at room temperature is mercury.